Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd Deals. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon so that you never miss any of our uploads. I am back with another review and today I am going to review Chatflux.io. So Chatflux is an AI chatbot that is going to reply to messages exactly how you train your chatbot, and you can add your data, personalized data in a variety of sources, such as you can add it from website or even YouTube video, which is really unique. And as you can see on their website, these are the three primary features. So you can train your chatbot with different source formats such as docx, txt format, PDF file, CSV file, even YouTube videos or website. You can also integrate that chatbot to your website or any other platform with just one click. And then you can also customize the appearance of your chatbot to make sure it is matching your brand's identity and creating a great user experience. If you are interested in Chatflux.io, this is the best time to purchase it because it is available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. So instead of the regular pricing, which is $400, you only have to pay $39 and then you can get lifetime access to Chatflux. And keep in mind that it is a one-time single payment. Now let's have a look at all the features that you are going to get with this Appsumo deal. So here are the features. You can import data from documents, YouTube videos, websites. You can integrate this chatbot on your website directly. You can customize the greeting message. You can even customize the base prompt. And this prompt was the one that made the chatbot. So that's a pretty good feature. And then there are some other features. And you can buy any of these 3 tiers from Appsumo. The tier 1 costs $39. And here you can create 10 chatbots. The tier 2 costs $119 with unlimited chatbots. And here you can collect leads. And there isn't going to be any branding on your chatbot, but that branding is going to be available on this tier 1, so keep that in mind. The tier 3 costs $249 with unlimited chatbots and these features. So if you want to buy the lifetime deal of Chatflux.io from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. So after you log into Chatflux, you will get this dashboard, and as you can see, currently I have one chatbot. Now to create another chatbot, all you have to do is click on this create new chatbot. And then you have to choose the data source. So it could be from a document such as a PDF file or from a website or the web URL. And you can even train your chatbot with a YouTube video, which is amazing. I haven't really seen this feature on any other chatbot platforms. And then you can also train your chatbot from direct plain text, which means you have to copy paste a certain amount of text or you have to type a text, which you can use to train your chatbot. So what I'm going to show you today is using this document as data source. I'm going to show you how to train your chatbot and then use that. So let's click on this. And here you have to upload your document, and the document can be PDF, TXT file, docx or CSV file. So let's choose our document, which is going to be a PDF file. So here is the document that I uploaded. It is a document about marketing management. Now let's upload and analyze this document to make sure Chatflux is getting trained properly. So currently we are training our chatbot. Chatflux is analyzing the document that I just uploaded. And as you can see, it can take some time based on your document, the length of your document. And you do not really have to wait because you will also get notified by email once the chatbot is created. So as you can see, the chatbot has been created. It is named as marketing management, which was the name of the document file. Now I can chat with the chatbot. I can also change some settings if I want. So first, let me show you how the chatting works. Let's click on this. So as you can see, this is the greeting message of my chatbot. Now let's ask it some questions. And for questions, I'm going to go back to the document file and open that. So as you can see, this is the document or the PDF that I uploaded. Now let's ask some questions from here. So let's ask about transactions. So this is going to be my question. Let's send it. So as you can see, I have asked a question based on my document or the file that I uploaded, and it is answering perfectly. Now let's ask some other questions. So I'm going to ask it this marketing management. So here is our query. Now let's send it. And there you go. As you can see, the answer is here. And I have to say the answer is very accurate. It is answering exactly according to the document. Now let's ask some other questions. So I'm going to go deeper into the document and let's ask this part. So here is our query. Now let's send it. Okay, so for some reason Chatflux is not answering this question. Let's ask something else. Let's ask about the selling concept or sales concept. So as you can see, here is the answer, and it's a pretty good answer. So I'm not really sure why it didn't answer before about another query that was also mentioned in the document. But all in all, I think I'm pretty satisfied with the answers. So now let's go back to my chatbots, and now let me show you some settings that you can change to customize your chatbot. So as you can see, these are the general settings. You can make this chatbot private or public. You can change the name. You can also switch the GPT version. So you can change the base model. It could be GPT-4. Currently it is switched to GPT 3.5. You can also change the greeting message. And then you can integrate this chatbot very easily using this code or script. You can also add it to iframe on your site if you want. And then there are some advanced settings, such as you can collect leads. So if you enable collecting leads, there are going to be some forms where a user have to provide their name or email to start chatting. So you can also export their contact info from there by clicking on export leads. You can also enable human help if you want. And here is the base prompt, as you can see. So you can also change this base prompt if you want. And obviously you can delete the chatbot. Then there is the content. So here you can see the content that you uploaded to your chatbot. You can also add more content from document, YouTube video, website, or plain text. And then there is the customization option that impacts the display. So you can change the loading style. There are multiple styles. You can also upload a profile picture for your chatbot. You can suggest some messages, and to suggest multiple, you have to separate them by comma. You can also change the visible on embedded chatbot settings to the left or right. You can change the header name, and you can also change the chatbot display colors. So overall, I think Chatflux.io is an excellent tool that lets you create your own chatbot. You can customize the chatbot. You can integrate the chatbot very easily with even iframe if you want. And the best part is you can train your chatbot with so many data sources, even YouTube videos, which is a first time for me. So if you want to buy this Chatflux.io on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. These are the features that you are going to get with this deal. And these are 3 tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. So that's it for our today's video. I hope you have found the video to be helpful. If you do, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this.